Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will be exploring a fascinating lab experiment where scientists create a sphere of plasma, affectionately called it as our sun in a jar, to delve into the physics of solar flares. Let's discover how this innovative experiment opens door to understanding space weather and its potential impact on satellites and electricity grids. So let's get started. A team of scientists has created a small glass ball filled with plasma, which simulates the process similar to those that generate solar flares. The glass ball filled with plasma, referred to as our sun in a jar, allows scientists to model solar flares and gain insights into the behavior of sun's tumultuous interior region. The experiment involves exciting partially ionized sulfur gas with low-frequency microwaves, creating a sound wave that causes the hot gas to contract and generates plasma convection. The research aims to improve the understanding of solar flares and their potential impact on satellites and electricity grids. The project initially received funding from DARPA and the Air Force Research Laboratory due to its application for hypersonic vehicles and space weather interference. The experiment provides insights into the behavior of sun and may contribute to the study of solar cycle and other astronomical phenomena. Although the model lacks magnetic field, which are vital for understanding solar storms, future research will focus on incorporating them into the model star. The breakthrough in creating plasma convection in a sphere without the need for microgravity offers new possibilities for studying the behavior of stars. The project's application extends beyond solar physics, as it has the potential to contribute to the study of Cepheid stars and other cosmic phenomena. The researchers view their breakthrough as a significant advancement in basic science with far-reaching implications and numerous avenues for exploration. That's all for today. If you found this video informative and engaging, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world.